Hello, こんにちは、Kuniko です。Let's grab rectangle paper and fold longer side to the longer side. That's our first fold. And make about only 2 inches pinch, not all the way, just like I'm doing. So you are dividing that line by 4, and you do the same thing to the opposite side. First in half, then make a 2-inch pinch, and then quarter 2-inch pinch. You repeat that. There. As a result, you have this. And from the bottom right corner, fold the triangle. Using the pinched line, that is a line you align. And then after that, using that marking, you fold with that triangle spot. Just like this. In the video, I did very fast, so let me slow down and show you again with a diagram. On the opposite bottom, you make another triangle, same manners, and make the folding line. Let me show you in the diagram. And next, using all the creases you made, from the side, fold to the creasing line you just created. It's kind of skinny strip you are folding. From the right side and from the left side, from the both sides. Here's a diagram for the process we just did. And from the right to left, fold in half, side to side, and you are making the center crease. Unfold that. Great, I can see it. So I will fold it from the right to the center, and I will make a mark and fold all the way. Then from the bottom right, I fold the triangle to the creasing line and fold that end. Do the same on the opposite side. From the top, I'm folding the triangle, matching with the creasing line I just made, and fold that to center. And here's a diagram for what we just did. From the four corners, triangles aligned with the crease, then fold the sides to the center. And that's what you have right here. And flip the model over, turn it over, and from the right side, fold the side to the center crease. So that you can see the whole triangle, white triangle, you are seeing the whole thing. And then from the left side, you do the same towards the vertical center, but overlap a little bit, about 1/4 inch, so that you can insert the corner to the another flap. The origami card case is done. Well done! From here, this is all up to you. I like to insert my family picture right here. This is the inside of the case. And fold it over. Now I have a little cash on this pocket. My business card on the back side. I'll be using it